Welcome to Superlift Garage Door Openers. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the battery in your Superlift remote. If you need help pairing your remote, this is covered in the video for your specific garage door opener motor. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a replacement battery, and a small screwdriver to help remove the existing battery. With the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws. On the back of the remote, remove the 2 screws holding the battery cover. Remove the cover, and using a small screwdriver, remove the battery. Replace the battery with one of the same type. To check the battery is working, press any button to confirm the red light comes on. Reattach the battery plate. Another quick check, then reattach the remote to the bracket. For more information on this and other Superlift products, check your manual or visit our website.